Namaste. Warm greetings to everyone at the 78th session of the World Health Assembly. Friends, the theme of the World Health Assembly this year is One World for Health. It resonates with India's vision for global health. Friends, in June, the 11th International Day of Yoga is coming up. This year, the theme is Yoga for One Earth, One Health. Being from the nation which gave yoga to the world, I invite all countries to participate. Let me close with a timeless prayer from the Vedas. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukh bhag bhavet. Thousands of years ago, our sages prayed that everyone should be healthy, happy, and free from disease. May this vision unite the world. Thank you.